Meaning of George Hepplewhite.
George Hepplewhite.
George Hepplewhite.
George Hepplewhite.
George Hepplewhite. George Hepplewhite was an 18th-century English cabinetmaker, designer, and author. He is known for his elegant furniture designs that were popular during the Georgian era. His name has become synonymous with a style of furniture characterized by graceful curves, delicate proportions, and refined details. The Hepplewhite style influenced furniture design throughout the late 18th and early 19th centuries, and is still celebrated today. Hepplewhite's designs were published posthumously in a book titled The Cabinetmaker and Upholsterer's Guide, which served as a significant source of inspiration for furniture makers of the time.